Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Loot Transfer wildlife camera. It's 4K and 48 megapixel HD wildlife camera with mobile phone transfer app possibility. A 130 degrees wide angle, 46 pieces of infrared LEDs without glow, wildlife camera system, IP66 waterproof, and 32 GB of SD card included, and 8x8 batteries. Oh, that's cool. We have here the Wi-Fi connection and an easy file sharing. Because this wildlife camera comes with a mobile transfer app. We simply download and use the free Trailcam Go mobile app, TRAILCAM mobile app. By manually connecting our phone to the Trailcam's built-in Wi-Fi network, we can easily watch recordings in the app and download them to our phone without having to remove the wildlife camera and connect the cables. We can also easily adjust settings, check the camera angles, and share the content on the social media from our phone. The range of the Wi-Fi connection is limited, of course, around about 30 meters. We have an high-resolution photo and videos here, with a 48 megapixel image and stunning 4K HD videos, thanks to premium optical lenses and advanced image sensor. This wildlife camera delivers lifelike colors and rich details. Whether we are shooting still image or videos, the built-in 2 inches LCD screen offers us an impressive viewing experience and brings us closer to the nature. And we have a 30-meter excellent motion detection at a 130 degrees wide angle. The Loot Transfer motion activated wildlife camera uses pyroelectric infrared sensor technology. That means an animal detection. As soon as an animal enters the sensor area directly in front of it, it automatically starts taking photos or videos within an 0.05 seconds delay. It can take 1 up to 5 images continuously, and with an PIR detection angle of 130 degrees, the detection range is up to 30 meters, so we can capture even more wonderful moments in wildlife, for example, or in our garden of Peshu. The clear IR night vision without lights means this wildlife camera with motion sensor has night vision. This uses 46 pieces of 940 nm infrared night vision LEDs and an automatic sensor circle, and it can take black and white images with a high brightness level, high resolution and low noise even at night. The detection range of the IR lights is up to 30 meters too, and the animals are not scared because flashlight or something else. The night vision effect is very good, even if it is pitch dark outside. We can easily see all the animals recorded by the wildlife camera. And its reliable IP66 waterproof level, thanks to the dense structure, the waterproof coating, and a well-sealed rubber ring. The wildlife camera is protected against rain, snow, and dust. At the same time, we don't have to worry about the weather, because the wildlife camera can work normally in harsh environments such as desert, grasslands, and tropical rainforests too. And even in temperatures between minus 10 degrees Celsius and plus 60 degrees Celsius, it can handle nearly a lot of stuff. This is a camera trap. This is a camera that is automatically triggered by motion in its vicinity, like the presence of an animal or a human being. It is a typical equipment with a motion sensor, usually a passive infrared PIR sensor or an active infrared air sensor using an infrared light beam. Camera straps are at the type of the remote cameras used to capture images of wildlife with as little human interference as possible. The camera trapping is a method for recording wild animals when researching are not present, and has been used in ecological research for decades, in addition to applications in hunting and wildlife viewing. Research applications included studies of ecologic detection of rare species, estimated population size and species richness, and research on habitats such as occupied of human-built structure. Since the instruction and the introduction of the commercial infrared triggered cameras in the early 1990s, their usage has increased with advancement in quality of the camera equipment. This method of field observation has become more popular among researchers. Hunting has played an important role in development of the camera traps. Since hunting uses them to scout for game, the hunters have opened a commercial market for their devices, leading to many improvements over time. And here it comes. A really good hunting camera too, if you like hunting. This is the Lutranstra Wildlife Camera, and it comes to you with a good resolution and HD pictures. It's a wildlife camera which you can use in combination with an app, and that means a mobile phone transfer app. 130 degrees wide angle view, 46 pieces of infrared LEDs without a glow function. This is a nice wildlife camera for day and night time. With a micro SD card slot, and you can operate it by using the USB source or 8 AAAs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.